The AgroFood Plastprintpack Ghana 2023 exhibition has come to a successful conclusion, leaving stakeholders brimming with hope for a transformative impact on the Ghanaian business community and the nation's economy at large. This pivotal business platform, organized by German trade show specialist Trade Fair Messe in collaboration with GeoVision, took place at the Grand Arena of the Accra International Conference Center from November 21st to 23rd, 2023. The exhibition played host to over 73 exhibitors from 12 countries, showcasing a diverse array of innovations. Pavilions from entities like the Ghana Export Promotion Authority (GIPA), GIZ Agribiz, and international representatives from Italy, the Netherlands, Nigeria, and South Africa, who presented cutting-edge technologies illuminating the path for Ghanaian and West African markets. The AgroFood Plastprintpack Ghana 2023 exhibition was complemented by a conference program with 12 roundtable discussions and presentations, which presented participants top learning and networking platforms. The opening ceremony on day one set the tone, featuring speeches by distinguished figures, including the Italian ambassador to Ghana, Her Excellency Daniela Donlandi, and representatives from Germany and the Netherlands. In an interaction with MX24 TV, Managing Director of Fairtrade Messe, Paul Myers, shared his contentment with the top-tier conference program and the award ceremony organized by the Chamber of Agribusiness in Ghana.
So this year we are very happy about the top-level conference program. In the conference program we have two major highlights. One is the awards that is given away by the Institute of Packaging Ghana together with Crown Packaging, and the other one is organized by the Chamber of Agribusiness in Ghana. This is the conference side. On the exhibition side, we're very happy to, for the first time, have a pavilion from TFO Canada, who are bringing companies from Nigeria. We're having a GEPA pavilion, and we're having official pavilions from the Netherlands and from Italy here. So I think we are in the market already long enough that we are trusted as a well-reputed organizer. So for GEPA, I think it was a natural step to participate in this exhibition. And we are very much looking forward to also open markets for GEPA and for Ghanaian companies abroad. So we have exhibitions in Iran, Iraq, Ethiopia, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, and now we want, of course, to work with GEPA also on those markets.
He emphasized their commitment to fostering Ghana's self-sufficiency, aiming to reduce food imports and boost local production. Edmond Boache-Frimpong from GeoVision Services Limited, who are the local organizers of the event.
For us, the main topic is always that Ghana becomes more self-sufficient, needs to import less food and can produce more locally. Therefore, Ghana needs know-how, Ghana needs machinery, so that better and more production can be set up locally. And this is basically what the exhibition is all about. Ghanaians and also people from neighboring countries are coming to learn about what technologies are in the world to enhance productivity for the agricultural production.
Edmond Boache-Frimpong from GeoVision Services Limited, who are the local organizers of the event, underscored its significance for the local business community, providing a platform for Ghanaian entrepreneurs to connect with foreign businesses, sharing insights on international markets penetration.
Yes, so the standard, of course. So here you have even the foreign companies who are here also, and you get to interact. So as you get to interact, you share ideas, you share information, and even find the ways to get into their market. But the whole idea of export is to be able to enter. There are some markets it's very difficult to enter. But with this, at least you share some information. You know there's a conference package as well. So in the conferences, all these, the issues, the bottlenecks with exports would be addressed. And I think that it will be very beneficial for even Ghanaian business who are not here. Fine, you are not exhibiting, but you can come in and have interactions. You can come in and participate in the conference ask all the relevant questions so that you can find a way to enter the other markets. This is a set, and you can just imagine, as you can see, there are a number of foreign companies that are here. Foreign direct investments, and the fact that all these companies, they are trying to set up. The idea is not to take business out. The idea is also to set up, to empower local businesses to be able to manufacture. Because when you look at, for instance, the Italian pavilion, almost all the companies there, they are into manufacturing of machines, which is good for local production. So certainly, it has a very telling effect on the Ghanaian economy.
Her Excellency Daniela Donlandi, the Italian ambassador to Ghana, expressed pride in Italy's consistent presence at the exhibition, highlighting the delegation of 7 Italian manufacturers showcasing machinery and products for the plastic printing, packaging industry and agribusiness.
Italy is very proud to take part in this edition for the second year in a row of the fair on AgroFood and Plastprintpack West Africa here in Accra. We have a pavilion with 7 Italian companies, and we hope that they will have very fruitful contacts with Ghanaian counterparts in order to create opportunities both for Italy and for Ghana. So we believe that currently there's a difficult situation, but at the same time there's a very, very stable, democratic, secure country, and from the Italian side there were companies that attended the fair last year that are coming back. There are new companies, so we bet on the economy of Ghana. We want to make business with Ghana. We want to grow together with Ghana with a mutually beneficial partnership, and there will be better times for sure.
She assured that their presence in Accra will allow Ghanaian companies to learn more about the possibilities Italy can offer to upgrade local production to respond to the increasingly sophisticated demand, and on the other hand to address foreign markets with more added value products in order to boost the local economy.
We believe that the Ghanaian economy could benefit from the Italian technology, expertise to transform its natural resources and raw materials and create added value here. So we have Italian companies that are leading in the sector of manufacturing, equipment, capital goods, and in fact our trade in capital goods last year increased 30% in comparison to the previous year, reaching 90 million euros, which proves that many more Ghanaian companies are looking for Italian partners because our products are reliable. We bet on innovation, assistance, training, and there are many initiatives to promote the trade between Italy and Ghana, thanks to the Italian Trade Agency and with the support of the Italian Embassy. We are also sending delegations of Ghanaian companies to Italy to attend trade fairs. We provide also training, and we try to provide as many opportunities in the trade sector as possible. And it's not only the agro-food chain, the entire agro-food chain, but also for the industries as regards the plastic, the printing, the packaging. You know, Italian products are known for their very high quality and technologies. So we think that we could have a very good partnership with Ghanaian companies.
Italian Trade Commissioner to West Africa, Dr. Alessandro Gebino, revealed their motivation to be closer to their customers.
Actually, the second time we are participating to the Plastprintpack and AgroFood, and we are bringing a delegation of Italian companies in the technologies for agro-food, agro-processing, and bottling and packaging equipment. And the fact that we are coming back and we want to continue to come to Ghana is that the most important thing we are putting forward is our desire to be close to our customers and machinery users. We want to accompany them in the added value creation process. And the better way to do that is to be here consistently, regularly, to know them better, to let them know better about us. Italy is a leader in these technologies, so we are sure that much more can be done together. We are seeing a growing interest from Ghanaian companies for Italian technology. We are sending also many companies from Ghana to Italy to our exhibitions and meet our companies there. So we are paying back the visits on this occasion, and we will do that in the future again.
He stressed the importance of collaboration between African governments to facilitate intra-African trade.
The government is certainly already committed to developing inter-trade, and work needs to be done among governments to remove the barriers, and then the government needs to give a lot of information about what's going on. Very often companies are not aware. And then I think that the ball will be in the hand of the private sector. At the end of the day, it's always the private sector that puts the things in place, and we want to be there with the Ghanaian private sector to catch these opportunities.
Representative of the European Union, Rafael Kato, stressed the necessity for local businesses to maintain high-quality standards for access to the EU markets during a panel discussion on export procedures and opportunities.
Strategy that I would follow is to really be sure that your product comes with a very good quality and also respect what are the standards that are very, very high standard for the entering the European market. In doing so, I think you have instruments, in particular here, of course, the Ghana Export Promotion Agency can help you on this. We have the Ghana Standard Authorities that also probably working on this. On the agribusiness sector, you can work with the Ghana institution that are dealing with the quality of the agri-food product. So that's a key element of your strategy, is to make sure that the product that you have is conform and good for the European Union market. The third element that I would like to highlight is that it's always good in all markets, but in particular in the European market, I think it's always good to have a good channel of distribution, because of course the European market is a very well integrated and open market, but there are also differences in terms of local taste, local consumer needs that you need to address, and you can do this, in my view, you can do it better if you have a local partner that helps you, an importer or a distributor that helps you to really target the different tastes and the different interests that are in different markets of Europe. So that's also something that I would take care when you develop a strategy, is to make sure that you have for each individual countries in Europe someone who knows better the way how the consumer, what the consumer requires in a different country of Europe. Because, of course, I'm here for the European Union, so I'm here to say that the EU market is a very integrated market. So once you enter the market, let's say in Germany, then you can, of course, move freely within all the 27 countries of Europe.
Engaging with exhibitors under the pavilions of the Ghana Export Promotion Authority, GEPA, and the Canadian Trade Office, TFO, insights were gleaned into diverse business and products.
My name is Mohamed Habib Abdullah. I'm the National Coordinator for Competitive Africa Rice Platform. That is a branch of ECOWAS Rice Authority in Ghana. That is a chapter in Ghana. Now, our main purpose is to ensure that we promote the consumption of local rice and to also ensure the rice self-sufficiency across the ECOWAS region, starting from the local level. So now what we do here is to ensure that we have an association of the rice sector stakeholders coming together to become a bigger force in the rice production process. That is why we have the input dealers, the producers, the processors, the aggregators, and all other players in the rice sector. So now we are also here to do the exhibition of locally grown rice in Ghana and how we can promote the consumption of locally grown rice. So we have some number of varieties here, lowland rice coming from Tamale Nyankpala. We have the Nasia Star rice coming from Wale Wale. We have this one, Jenny's rice coming from Sogakope. This one. These are parboiled rices. These are parboiled rice. We also work in collaboration with GIZ to promote rice and cashew. So now we have something like this. That is also a local rice, wild Oka Foods, black wild rice. This one is a locally produced rice in Ghana. We also work with other nations, as a regional program. So we work with Sierra Leone. So we also have a product of Sierra Leone here. So basically, we work in rice, and as partnership with GIZ, we also go into the cashew. So GIZ the Move project are here, who are also promoting cashew project.
Stephanie, and I work with Chocolove. And this is Chocolove Chocolates. We do chocolates and related products. So we do cocoa powder, instant chocolate drinks, and various ranges of chocolates. So chocolates with ginger, orange, coffee, vanilla. So you can reach out to us. We are on the first floor, Spintex Road, Rana Plaza. And then our contact, that's our contact number as there. Okay, 0200607607. You can reach out or send a WhatsApp, and then we'll deliver. We are not selling in retail shops, but we do deliveries. And we have a shop at the airport. When you're traveling out to visit your loved ones, you can pick some chocolates from the airport as well.
My name is Edwina Iraba Akun. My company name is Edjo Enterprise. We produce tiger nut milk and alasan juice and other juices. This is the tiger nut milk, and this is the tiger nut milk with ginger, and this is the alasan juice, pure natural, no preservative, no additives. It's 100% organic. The tiger nut can be used as a substitute of milk. You add it to your tea, Tom Brown, rice water, just like we use any other milk. Okay, children from 6 months can take it. Okay, and then we use it for baking and other things as well. This is the tiger nut, and this is the alasa that we convert it into drinks. We are situated at West Legon, adjacent to Forestry Commission. We do deliveries. We do set up for weddings, parties, and other things. Schools that want healthy drinks for their wards can also contact us.
I'm the representative for Safik International Ghana. Safik International is a South African-based company. We are distributors of plastic raw materials. So we supply the virgin, recycle, and cost-saving additive. At the same time, we are also agents for other machine companies for lamination, film extrusion, and also master batch and associated additive are all our partners on board for Safik International. So the company started 20 years ago in Messe. We were first into textiles, then plastic. Then now we are more active in the virgin material. So what else do you want? Basically, our product is direct export to the customers. So we give our customers make the order of the plastic raw material, whatever you want, the virgin, the reprocessed, or even if it's machinery, you talk to us. So you can talk to us. South Africa, the CEO is Mervyn Moodley. So if you search Safik International, it's there on the website. You can talk to anyone. Or procurement team, we have Amanda, we have Morgan, So if you go to the website, I think you have all the information you need to contact us. And I'm the representative for Ghana. So if you're in Ghana, you want to talk to me, I'm also available.
So my name is Nanecha Ankara. I'm a doctor of pharmacy, a member of the Pharmaceutical Society of Ghana, and also a member of the Lady Pharmacists Association. I'm also the CEO of Saliscom Limited. We produce Arise baby products, Arise baby food here in Accra. Okay, so they have 5 varieties. We have the wheat, rice, and soya. We have the maize, soya, and peanuts. We also have the oats, rice, and soya, and we have the millet blend, and we have the rice, roasted rice blend. And these are very good. They are very nutritious. As you can see, we have calcium in it, and this is natural. There's no preservative in them. There's no sugar, no salts, no additives, no color. We believe that children are now developing their organs, and they shouldn't be bombarded with all these preservatives and all these additives. There's enough going around to add us on all these things to the children.
Teresa Poku of Ohu Farms Limited, the managing director of Ohu Farms and the co-founder of Ohu Farms.
What do you have here? What products do you have here?
Today we have pineapple jams, and the pineapple jams are from our own farms. We produce pineapple for export, but we have now added value to way to come out with this new variety of pineapple jams. We have here pineapple, plain pineapple jam, pineapple with bisap, hibiscus flower, pineapple with ginger, and pineapple with passion fruit. 100% natural. Yes, our farm is at Fotobi, near Ebre, on the Ebre in Sawam Road.
Representative of Dado Services Limited. We are proudly women-owned organization. We are farmers and exporters involved in agricultural produce, such as legume, grains, cashew nuts, ginger, hibiscus, sesame seed, and locally parboiled rice. We are B2B organization. We distribute to our clients, and our clients sells to consumer in affordable prices. We're looking into prospective clients internationally, including you.
My name is Lily Pearl Asiedu, CEO of Lipat Group of Companies. I'm an agro-processor, producers of cassava value chain products, soy milk, that is plants and animal milk beverages. We have assorted cereal mix and instant baby food. We have cosmetic production, etc. We do. We have some at Bachona Total. We have some also at AMSA filling stations and some of the Guel filling stations. And we export most of our products. We export about 70 to 80% of our products because our niche is actually outside Ghana. So we try as much as possible for people outside, Africans, be it whites or blacks, they can get most of our Ghanaian dishes to enjoy. Very well. Okay, so we have the instant fufu. These are the cassava value chain products. Some way, somehow, we have a little cassava in each of them. So we have the plantain cassava, our normal fufu, kokonte, fermented cassava, cocoyam, a little cassava. Then we have the tuozafi millet. Then we have some brown, puff, hausa kokose. Then we have hep tea. We have the Jilemi, hep tea, sobolo, and neem tea. These are some of our baby food, instant baby food. You just add warm water, then you enjoy.
Experience is very good, especially yesterday. There were plenty of people, many guests. Everybody was delighted with the fish, with taste. So basically, I expect that the market gradually accept this kind of product, and yeah, we just have a plan to expand in the near future.
Is the business already operating in Ghana, or this is your first time?
No, we have been selling to West Africa for quite a while, since 2012, and we are producing hundreds of thousands of tons, but mainly it is round fish, whole round fish, which has always been suitable in good demand in West Africa. But because all countries become rich, people are looking for some other product other than whole round fish. And this alternative frozen fillets produced on board, which is very fresh. The time between catch to final freezing about 3-4 hours. It's very fresh product. Skinless, boneless fillet, ready to use, ready to cook. Just you can do very simple cooking, just frying, or you can just make some seasoning, etc., like our chefs are doing, whatever.
At Flexi Foods, we produce chocolate, community chocolate as precise, and then we have cashew also. So we have roasted cashew. We have roasted cashew, salted, and then we have unsalted, but today we brought the salted one. So we have a coated cashew in chocolate. Coated cashew in chocolate. Yes, and then we have cashew with the bar, chocolate bar. This milk chocolate and then the cashew added to it. Yes, and then we have dark chocolate also. Dark chocolate. Yes. Thank you.
You were here yesterday and you are here today too. What were your expectations, and are your expectations being met in any way?
Okay, as we were coming, we knew like sales will be high, but for us now, people are passing by though, but sales are not really moving as expected.
Sales not really.
As selling of the product, yeah, people just want to sample, and then we understand. We understand.
What about sampling? Did they come to sample?
Yes, they come to sample. Yeah.
How is the feedback? Like, what do they say?
The product they say is good, but the price is driving them away. Yeah.
So is that going to affect your decision making in any way to maybe think about a review of the prices?
Yes, we will do. We will have to maybe in the production we do some adjustment to minimize the cost of production so that the cost of the product will also come down a little bit.
As the curtain fell on the event, exhibitors, including award winners, expressed optimism about the first positive impact on their businesses.
This is the third day for the exhibition or the fair. This is Maflis Trust Ghana Limited stamp. We are into exports and production of vegetables. Our main location is at Keta South, that is Tajevu, close to the border, Aplao border, that is Georgia side precisely. Now, we are into production of vegetables and other tubers as well. We have few products that we have exhibited so far from Tuesday up to now. People like our products because we have explained to them that it's organic, and also they have been grown in a very hygienic way. That is, we use greenhouses for most of our products that we have on our stand, and that makes it unique. And proud to that also, yesterday we have been given award to be one of the leading company in Vegetables Association. So it means that if our produce are not the best, we can have that opportunity to be given to us at that point. So we just want to tell everyone that if they need the quality products, that's especially vegetables, they should come to Maflis Trust, and we are ready to offer them healthy and good quality vegetables.
My name is Nanopari, Managing Director of Fort Commodities Limited. We are an agro inputs dealer, specifically organic fertilizer. Yes, we've been at the AgroFood Fair since Tuesday to today. It's been a good experience. We've had a lot of contacts come through, a lot of prospects come through. Yes, we are located. Our office is in Accra, at the SU Tower. Okay, but we do our supply all around the country. Okay, yeah.
anything you've picked up from this fair that you would want to share with us? Any idea, any new something, not to share your business plan or strategy with us, but anything you've learned from this fair?
Yes, definitely. It's been a very good platform for exposure. We have met a lot of prospects, and personally, I have gotten ideas of aspects of my business that I need to implement from this fair. Okay, so this is a fair I would recommend that other people partake of when the next edition comes on. Right.
In his closing remarks, Paul Myers conveyed Fairtrade's contentment with the outcome, seizing the moment to announce the next edition of AgroFood and Plastprintpack Ghana, scheduled for 2025.
We are very, very happy with the outcome, with the people we have seen coming through the exhibition hall over the last 2.5 days. And we had many conversations with exhibitors from Ghana and from all over the world, asking them what was it like for you. And we had the feedback and the confirmation that there were very, very valuable business contacts made. So we are happy that we are successful with another AgroFood and Plastprintpack Ghana this year.
You also had high-level panel discussions. Were there any recommendations made from the panelists? Anything you can share with us?
So I think the highlights were the 2 award ceremonies, one organized by the Institute of Packaging with Royal Crown Packaging, and the other one was organized by the Agribusiness Chamber. And I think those award ceremonies really contributed to the success of the event. And then there were many sessions I was not able to attend, but I heard it was very interesting to be part of it.
Between now and when we are going to see you again, what should we expect? What should the business sector expect from you?
Yeah, so in 2024, if you come to Nigeria or to Cote d'Ivoire, you will see us. If you wait for us to be back in Ghana, it's 2025. And we think Ghana will develop very positively with elections coming up next year. And then with a lot of push and positive development towards 2025, we think Ghana can really take the next level in producing food and drinks locally. And we are very much looking forward to bring an even larger exhibition with even more international participants from all over the world to the Ghanaian AgroFood and Plastprintpack community.
For MX24 TV, I am Joshua Tay.